Hello everyone. So this is the third episode of our Rappel system. So here we are going to work on this part. So we already worked on attaching the rope and move below the Rappel point. So today we are going to work on how to move up like this and exit from the top side. So if I keep W pressed, if I press S I can move down as well, but if I keep W pressed, I can move up and my character will be moved to the top and I can walk like this. So yeah, that's the part we are going to work on today. So before we get started, I may remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I had done from my Patreon page. Once you become a member, you can access everything without any limits. So there are over 2000 videos. For each video, project files are available, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave the links in description below, and let's get back to today's episode now. Alright, so this is what we have implemented so far. We can enable the rope, attach the rope and go here, and the next step is, and if I press R again, it detaches. So next step is how to actually move up. Okay, so let's start working on that. So before that, there is one small thing I need to address. After I detach, I need to set my movement mode back to walking. So I should do that here. Okay, and now here we have this on Rappel, or maybe we should call it Rappel. So on Rappel is something like on rope. I'm not sure if that is correct. Okay, and then let's go to this IA move. No, this is IA jump. This is IA move. Okay, let me get some more space. So yeah, this is applied if we are just walking, but if we are rappelling, this should be different. So here, let's add a branch. If it is false, that means we are walking. But if it is rappelling, we should have a different system to move. So I'll add a custom event down here. Call it move on rope, and call it if we are rappelling. Okay, so this moving on rappel should happen like step by step. Move up a little bit and stop, and move up a little bit, stop. Or similarly when we go down as well. So therefore, I think we can have a do once node here. Let's collapse this. Because this part might get bigger, easier to manage. Okay. Now I'll get a Let's multiply this input with a float. So that would be the distance that we move in one go. So like hold it from one hand and up pull up the body, so that distance. So I'll call this step 50 units should be reasonable, and I can break this to get x and y component. Y means move forward, W and S. Okay, so I'll hit at the location and then add this component. Well, no, this is a single float value, so we should be moving up. Therefore, let me get effect of the actor effect, this one, and multiply. Okay, here. So let's test this only for moving up right now. So here, let's not worry about how to deal with when we reach top or anything. Let's just get the moving up part. So for that, I can use this move capsule component, move component to. This would be the target location, and the relative rotation I don't need to change. So get after rotation. So we don't need to change it. Enable both is in and is out. 3.4 seconds for shortest rotation, though we are not changing the rotation. And once this step is complete, we can reset this. Shall we test? So, okay, yeah, okay. Moving up. As soon as I hold W, you see, step by step, I'm moving up, and there is no end. I should be able to move up indefinitely. See, because we didn't think about how to deal with when we reach top, what to do. Okay, now let's look into that. And moving down should also work. Let's see. Okay. Not working. If I press S, moving down also works. Yeah, it is working. But we will be going through the ground, I think, because there is no exit. Okay. And now let's do a check to make sure that the location is above or below. So I can subtract from Rappel location this target location. And here, let me break this. If Z is larger than the, let's say 20, This would mean we haven't reached the top yet, but also we need to check if we are at the bottom too. Anyway, let's add this condition only for now. If it is false, we need to, for now I'll connect to reset without doing anything. Actually, we need to exit from top, but now what should happen is I should reach top and should not be able to move more than the highest location. Yeah, no, should stop at top. Yeah, not moving more than that. So if I keep pressing W, I should exit to the top. So to implement exit, let's do something like this. So here, now we know the Rappel location. That would be the location of this yellow cube. And we know the outward normal as well. So we need to get a point like this. So let's say like 100 units above this Rappel location and like 50 units inward or in the opposite direction of the Rappel normal. That would give a point like here. So we can calculate it. So here, right now I'll consider this as Rappel exit. This exit. Oh, so here, as I said, I can get the Rappel location and add, let's say, like somewhat higher than the half height of the capsule. So the capsule half height and add, let's say, maybe 10, slightly more than that. We can adjust it. Then also we need to add, we have the Rappel normal, multiply this with plot. So let's say 50 units inward, so minus 50. Better to replace this with the actual variable with the meaningful name, but let's test it first. And then this is the location that we should move. So get the capsule component, move component to here, get that location, the rotation is in, is out. Maybe we should give 0.4 seconds. And after that, we should set the moment mode to falling. Actually, no, we can just call Rappel. That should take care of it. Rope will be detached and character should start working. Alright, let's test. from here. Yeah, we are at the top. So it's working. All right, I think that should be enough for this episode. Next time, let's look into how to make the character enter from this side and rappel down and exit from the bottom. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.